Thank God I can breathe, I can be what they can buy. Even when I'm weak, I'm sure it's gonna be alright.
Yo, what's up, my guys? Welcome to Forex, the only channel focused on into the financial market in 1 month. So, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and then turn on notification. So, each time I post a video, YouTube can easily get you notified, and YouTube can also redirect others who are new into this video. Please, sorry, I have been out for some time out of YouTube because of some reasons best not to. So I want to say sorry to those who have been waiting and who have been waiting. I see your messages, I see your mails, I see your comments on my last video. So I want to say a big shout out to you. So today I'm not going to dive into money aspect, I'm not going to dive into the risk management aspect. I'm just going to talk about the psychological aspects of forex. So my my name is Thaddeus. I'm a mission powered by Pro Forest is to bring down forest trading and to simplify it. In other words, to bring down forest trading into those who don't believe in it and those who look at forest as scam through risk management and psychological effects. We all know that psychology has 90% to play in forest trading. So people will argue with me and say, how will psychology have 90% in fresh trading? Okay, let's take for instance now. You have done your analysis, you believe you are right, but your mindset is telling you no. That is why. Will you take the trade? No. You have done your analysis, everything met your criteria, but your mind is not stable because you are being troubled or there is fear or there's FOMO. FOMO, fear of missing out. What do? You don't trade. There's psychology, but even though at times the trade does not meet your condition, like your confluence is complete, like theory two, even though it's one, but when psychology is entered, you take the trade. That is where psychology comes in. So there's something I wrote on my Instagram story this morning. Please, if you're not following my Instagram, please, I'll be dropping the link on the comment section. You can follow me on Instagram. I drop back to back free signal on my Instagram story. Every trade I trade, I document it on that Instagram story. So you can watch. So what's the topic before me was I stated that I stated what does he say? He said, how did you feel each time you lose money trading forex? How do you feel? Take a second and ask yourself that question. Do I feel comfortable? Do I feel happy? Do I feel cool? Do I feel okay? That's the question. Ask yourself. I feel broken. I feel devastated. I feel lost. I shed tears. I cry. Yeah. Why? Because it's money that is involved. But do you know that the greatest thing there is that I feel happy and I'll go back to my chart to find out what do I get wrong. Do you know that each time I make a loss on first, I take the chart more slow than each time I make a profit? Do you know why? Because I don't want to lose any money trading forex trading. And don't forget that there is this money management rules that I have. The capital you come into the market with is your primary assignment to defend it. Your balance is your mainly primary assignment to defend. In other words, you take care of your balance much more than your equity when you come into the market. So how do you feel? Some people stop trading. Some newbies they change strategies. Some newbies they just stop trading. Some they stop trading for the week. Some they will be looking for the best strategy. See, there's no strategy that's an only grow. Unless you keep doing one thing and you're looking at where you got it wrong, you can't trade it like that. Forex is not a game of changing strategies, changing method. No. Even your method is not getting it right, it will get it right because this market is a game of probability. But it's a game of probability does not mean you just have to come in to the market and just buy and just sell. There is something I saw just now when looking at the chart was there is this hammer candle that normally print when I need some years back when I need start for it. That is how I just trade gold. Because when I see that gold have went much high, much high with that candle, I'll just I just see that print, I'll just take a sell or a buy. So I have been doing that before and I compare my strategy, start doing everything together. So you don't need to be panic, you don't need to stop trading, you don't need to be changing strategy. So you don't need to be changing mentorship, you don't need to be having a lot of fear because you lose money. No. Loss in forex is normal. Just normalize it. Like guy, this thing I'm about to do is that I lose or I win. But you do one thing for a very long period of time. You do it back testing and sticking to it has a lot of effect. Okay, let's say for instance now, let's say a surgeon who takes a patient to the lab or who is a student surgeon who is in school, then went for an excursion to experiment something. He mistakenly teaches some other places that we were not supposed to teach. Will he quit surgery? Will he quit? No. He will go back and learn what and where it comes from. So there's a story which say life does not stop teaching you, so you should not stop learning. In other words, forest does not stop teaching you. Forest does not stop bringing a different movement. So you don't need to stop learning. You don't need to. Each time you take a loss, don't change strategy. Each time you take a loss, don't change mentor. Each time you take a loss, don't change your money management. Each time you take a loss, don't change your risk management. Each time you take a loss, don't add any indicator that you have not been using into that forex. If it is support and resistance you have been trading, when you take loss, stick to it. If it is price action you have been trading, when you take a loss, stick to it. If it is indicators, stick to it. You got it right sometime. It will not be always, but I am 100% sure that you will get it right. So always keep trading, always keep doing it. Don't feel sad, don't feel depressed when trading forex. Forex is the sweetest game, like it's the best game you need to trade. I remember Forex and the official CEO of Forex Academy. Well, we trade professor into the forex market. Learn, risk, earn, and freedom. You may learn forex, but you might not take the risk. If you don't take the risk, you will not earn. And if you don't, you will get freedom. But if you learn forex, you take the risk. Taking the risk is by clicking the buy or it's by clicking the buy or the sell. So you take the risk, then you earn the money. After earning the money, your boss will control you, nobody will control you. Then you have the freedom. So that is how you should feel. Feel okay, feel, hold yourself accountable each time you take a loss, hold yourself the press each time you take a loss. So don't always stop to the forest. Love you, shout out, peace.